Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym, and today we're going to talk about one of the staple upper body compound exercises that we perform at our boot camp classes. This is going to be an explanation of our barbell floor press. Now, this is typically going to be our advanced option on our upper body strength days, on days in which we're not overhead pressing or bench pressing, and I'm going to cover some coaching cues that you can use on your floor press. Now, first coaching cue for you is actually going to be to use a little bit lighter weights. Most people don't realize this, but with the barbell floor press, you're probably going to press about 90% of what you can bench press. It's actually a little bit harder than a standard bench press, so most of your clients are going to want to go a little bit lighter. Now, when I lay down for my barbell floor press, I'm going to start by laying down eye level with the bar, okay? Now, I'm going to focus on bringing my shoulder blades in together to start off with. I'm going to push myself up just a little bit. Hand spacing and wherever you feel comfortable is going to be the same as the barbell bench press, so make sure you watch that video as well. Now, my next coaching cue for you is going to be what we do with our elbows at the bottom. What I don't want to do on a floor press is sit and let that bar rest with my elbows flat against the ground at the bottom. Instead, I'm going to slowly lower, touch the ground, but stay in a tight, contracted position the entire time. That's going to keep me stable at the bottom. If I relax, I'm going to lose my bar path, and it's going to make the exercise a lot riskier and less effective in the long run, okay? So we want to make sure that we come down, we touch soft with our triceps, press, and finish straight over our shoulders. As far as regressions, progressions go, obvious progression is going to be to use more weight. Obvious regression for this is going to be to opt for a dumbbell floor press instead, in case you have somebody that can't quite grasp the technique of a barbell floor press. Give those coaching cues a try the next time we do barbell floor pressing in one of our boot camp classes.